What's going on, everyone? I just acquired a 2x42 knife making belt sander from Grizzly. There's a lot of reviews out there on this one, but it's my first time using it. It's still in the box. I'm kind of excited about it because all I have is a 2x72 that runs very fast. It doesn't have that adjustable speed, variable speed, and this one does, so it's gonna be nice to have. Let's go ahead and unbox this guy. Here it is, the 2x42 Grizzly Knifemaker's grinder in the box. One 60 grit first thing I'm going to do is sharpen this little guy. He is not sharp. Here, loosen it, and it'll so now it's just going to be a matter of bolting this variable speed mount to this thing right here, and this right here is where I've seen some guys on the internet or YouTube that they cut these, but you just got to be patient. You can pull it out and twist it and turn, pull it out, twist and turn, like this here. You don't got to cut them off. What's this? We'll find out in a minute. I think this goes here. But yeah, it looks pretty good so far. Might help if I check out the directions. But it looks like this thing is upside down or backwards, where I need to probably remove the bolts and flip it upside down and put it on this side with the other guides there. So that's probably going to be one of the directions here in a minute, and then I'll come right back once I take care of this thing here. According to the instructions, step one is to loosen this, move it, and move this out, and then so I can put the box on it. Once you loosen it, you can move it all the way out. Next is I'm gonna attach this thing here to this. There's 4 bolts that go in there. I'll take care of that real quick. So I was like, well, they didn't send me the damn bolts, but look at this. Looks like they're already in there. So before you all say, I didn't get my bolts, I didn't get my bolts. They're already in here. You just gotta take them out and put them back in. All right. It's on there, good and secure. What's next? This here, you just loosen this part, take it out, turn it around. It has two, what is this deal here? So that's tight right there. It's got two slots. I don't know what that means. I think one's for the one is for the arrest. Next is to put this. It's called the gas strap in here. We're gonna do that next. Okay, so it says to screw all these all the way in, and here's the end result, so you can remove their belt, you know. Pretty nice, pretty nice. All right. Push your tensioner down. A lot of people take these guards off because it makes it a little bit of a. These little guards make it a pain in the ass to put it on there. I can see why. But once you got it here, then you got to pull back with the tensioner on. Tighten it. Tighten it on there, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna move this out a little bit. Now, I think that's it. I'm gonna make sure that's the final step. Let's go ahead and run it for its first time here. Turn it on. Speed's off. That's at 5 speed. 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. I probably wouldn't run it any faster than that, really, but that's 20. I mean, why do you need to go faster than that? 7. There's a 3. That's kind of ideal sometimes, like about that speed right there. 6, 7, 8. So there you go. It's gonna do what I need it to do, I think. I'm gonna actually grind on this knife here. I made this one a while back, and you know, as you go on with knife making, you discover what the hell was I thinking, you know. I do like the little handle because it fits in your palm like that. That's my intention, but the blade is a little big. So I'm gonna take it back, flatten it a little bit, and just reshape it because it looks kind of crazy. But let's see what I can do with this real quick. I'm opting for no gloves. working great. I thought I was recording for the last minute or so, but I don't know if y'all remember what this one looked like a little while ago, but it's looking a whole lot better in just 5 minutes. Check it out. I do need to practice my symmetry on my grinds there. One's too high, higher than the other. But it's always a learning game, you know. So I'm gonna take this down a little thinner. It's kind of a thick one. Get some weight off of it. See how thick it was. Give it a nicer tapered edge. Make it super sharp. And maybe I'll run it on an auction or something. I don't know. Or put it up on my website. Y'all can buy it. It's got a sheath too. All made by me. Thank you very little. Another cool feature of this little Grizzly Knifemaker belt sander is that it twists, goes horizontal. So see if I remember how to do that, and I think I do. Yeah, I'm gonna use this to make that false edge right here. See what happens. First time doing this here. All right, changed out to 120 grit. Let's do that one. Let me tell you, I'm really happy the way this is going. It's like every time I get a piece of new equipment, it's a game changer, because trying to control the blade on the other, this one right here, the 2x72 Grizzly, it's just one speed, and that's 20, 100 miles an hour. It's hard to control and hard to get a nice, even, pretty grind. And this right here is just amazing, I mean, look how nice and even that is. I've never been able to do that before. My grinds are always all crooked and there's no control, so if you can get a variable speed grinder, I really recommend it. I recommend you get one. They're pretty inexpensive. And it's not going so fast to where it's not going 100 miles an hour to where if you stay in one spot for too long, you'll burn your blade. It actually gives you some time to react, which is just really a game changer. I don't know how else to say it. Makes a huge difference.